Imagine this, an AI influencer that never sleeps, never gets tired, and can earn brand deals for you. Sounds impossible? But today, this is real. AI influencers are going viral everywhere. People are making money, getting sponsorships, and building digital businesses without showing their faces. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Creating an AI influencer is hard, confusing, and extremely time-consuming. Consistency is the biggest problem. That's why what Higgsfield just launched is insane. They literally built a complete AI influencer studio where you can create characters, scenes, videos, and edits in one dashboard without spending extra money. And in this video, I'm not just explaining it. I'm going to build my own AI influencer business from scratch. This is part 5 of my Higgsfield series, so watch till the end because this can completely change your career. First things first, open the Higgsfield website. This is the same platform First things first, open the Higgsfield website. This is the same platform I've been using in my previous videos where I showed you how to create cinematic Zach D film style visuals. But today, we're using Higgsfield for something even more powerful, AI influencers. Now, once you're on the Higgsfield homepage, just look carefully. You'll see an option called Create Your Viral Influencer. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you click it, Higgsfield will take you to a dedicated influencer dashboard. And trust me, this dashboard alone already feels like a game character creator but on steroids. On the right-hand side, you'll see a full customization panel. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that Higgsfield allows you to create human and non-human characters. That's insane. You can literally build fantasy creatures, humanoids, aliens. But for this tutorial, let's stay practical and choose human. Now, let me walk you through this slowly because every small setting matters. First option, gender. I'm selecting female. Next, ethnicity. You'll see options like African, Asian, European, Latin, and more. For now, let's choose African. You'll understand later why mixing ethnicities gives better realism. Then comes skin tone. You can customize it, but honestly, unless you have a very specific requirement, leaving it on default gives more natural results. Next, eye color. This is important for personality. I'll choose green eyes here. It instantly gives a striking look. Now, scroll down a bit. You'll see skin conditions. This is a very underrated feature. Most people skip this, but this is how you add uniqueness. For demonstration, I'll select albinism. You don't have to use it, but I want you to see how powerful this control is. Next, age selection. Always select adult unless you're building a fictional character. Simple rule. Now things get serious. Scroll down to advanced settings. This is where you go from AI generated to, is this a real person? First, eye type. You can choose human, reptile, or mechanical. We'll obviously stick to human. Next, mouth and teeth. You can control mouth size, teeth shape, even sharpness. For now, I'll test sharp teeth just to show you the difference. Then ears, human, elf, winged ears, or none. I'll select human ears. Below that, you'll see horn options. Skip this unless you're making fantasy characters. Next, face skin material. Again, select human. Then surface pattern, solid, stripes, spots. Choose solid for realism. All right, with these settings, let's click Generate Influencer. So, as you can see on the screen, it generates this result. And honestly, man, it already looks pretty realistic and clean. I even tweaked a few settings and generated another version, and that one also looks really good. At this point, if I wanted, I could literally hire this AI model from my brand. I could start posting, build a page, even do promotions. But I'm not stopping here because I want to push the realism further. To reach that top-tier AI influencer level, we need a few more refinements. So let's talk about inspiration. There's a very popular AI influencer on Instagram called Aitana Lopez. She has around 391,000 followers, and if you look at her posts closely, you'll notice something important. Her images look extremely realistic. Our result is good, but not Itana level yet. So how do we reach that level? Simple. Advanced body and facial tuning. Now, go back to Higgsfield and scroll down to Advanced Settings. Under that, click on the Body section. Here, you'll see body types like slim, lean, athletic, muscular. For this example, I'm selecting athletic because that's closest to a fitness influencer vibe like Itana. You'll also notice options to customize left and right arms separately. This is useful if you want a robotic or humanoid touch, but for realism, I'm skipping this. There's also an option to change legs, but again, I'm leaving it untouched. Now I'm cleaning things up, turning skin conditions off, deselecting sharp teeth, removing surface patterns. These small removals make the face look more natural and less AI generated. Next, instead of sticking to just African ethnicity, this time I'm choosing a mix of Indian plus European. This is a powerful trick. Mixed ethnicities almost always result in better realism in AI faces. Now comes the most important step. I open Instagram and go to Itana Lopez's page. I take a screenshot of any one of her images. Then I open ChatGPT, upload that image, and write this prompt. This is an AI model. I also want to create a similar model for my fitness page. Don't copy exactly, but match the facial structure, realism, and overall vibe. Give me a single, detailed prompt in one paragraph. ChatGPT now generates a very detailed facial and styling prompt. I copy that prompt, go back to Higgsfield, paste it into the prompt input box, and hit generate. And bro, this is where it hits different. The result now looks almost Itana level. Natural face proportions, realistic skin texture, proper lighting, insane. Now this is officially my AI influencer model. But consistency is everything. So here's what I do next. I download this generated image, upload it again to ChatGPT, and write, I generated this AI model. Now I want to show her holding dumbbells and doing a fitness pose. Give me a follow-up prompt. ChatGPT gives me a follow-up prompt. I copy that prompt, go back to Higgsfield, AI Influencer Dashboard, click the edit icon, paste the follow-up prompt, select Unlimited, and hit Generate. And boom, it creates a perfectly consistent second image. Same face, same body, same identity. This is exactly how top AI influencers post daily without breaking realism. Now you can repeat this process to create gym posts, tech reviews, coffee brand promotions like Starbucks, lifestyle photos. Just remember one golden rule. Stick to one character and one niche. Now let's talk about motion. Inside Higgsfield, you'll see a video/motion icon. Click on that. It opens a separate motion panel. Here, you can upload a reference video or select from predefined motion templates. Higgsfield will animate your AI influencer based on that exact motion. They even provide optional motion prompts, but for now, I'm leaving that blank. I simply select a motion, click Generate, and within seconds, it gives me a realistic animated result that perfectly matches my reference image. I even tested this feature with a crocodile character just for fun, and trust me, it looked hilarious. Now imagine this. Once your AI influencer builds a following like Itana, you start getting brand deals, affiliate promotions, sponsorship offers, without photo shoots, without travel, without cameras, just AI plus creativity. And if you want to learn how to create cinematic AI videos, make sure to check the video on the end screen where I try to recreate Zach D film style animated visuals using Higgsfield, step by step. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for AI tutorials, AI tools, and the latest AI news.